Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Umboya Kini and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? So today we're going to be slaying this headband wig, and I'll be showing you how I install it and how I style it in different styles. So my hair, as you can see, a mess, but you're going to slay this in a few. What I'm doing is I'm going to be separating my hair, like the front with the rest of the hair, because I'm going to be working with the front only. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me, don't need you. Before any protective style, I like to go in and moisturize my hair, and today I'll be using some water and oil. Once my hair is moisturized, I'd go in and start undoing my hair. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like. So when I'm done, I'm just going in and moisturizing my hair some more and brushing my hair back. I find that I work on my hair better when it's damp. I'll need eco styling gel for the front, just a bit. I don't use much because I don't need much. After which I'm going to brush my hair back and work on my edges. So I'm going to need a wig cap to secure my the back of my hair. Don't worry about making a mess, we can fix that after. And I also use the wig cap to push my hair back. After which I'll go in and just fix my edges.
Now I see you, yeah, you know I do, to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out.
Once I'm happy with it, I'm just going to tie this so that my gel can dry. And because I have time, I'll go play with some makeup. If I don't have time, you only take 5 minutes. And if you don't have a headband wig, do you even value time? Like this takes some like only 5 minutes. So this is me after glamming up, and this is the wig. Comes with this beautiful headband. I love this wig because it almost looks like my hair. and has some some combs to secure my hair so it doesn't fall off. So that's a plus, and has a lot of those, more security, which is a plus for me. I'll just go ahead and put it on. Let's see how it looks like. I love this. So I feel like I should just own band wigs. They save a lot of time, and you don't have to stress about, I don't know, laying your edges, laying the wig edges and all that. So it's very easy to install. So putting the hair away helps you like secure your hair and fix your hair properly without the hair getting in your way. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is the first way you can slay your hair. So you do not need to add anything, just like that, and you're good to go. So this is the first style that I can rock with this hair, and I love it. But if you want to be extra, then you can, spice up your hair and add something, like a fancy band. So this is the second way you can rock your hair, or you can use the headbands that the hair came with. This is another way to rock your hair. Love, love, love. So that way I style this hair. Sometimes you just don't want hair, all over your face. So just use scrunchie, and I'm tying my hair at the back. So I'm still slaying, but without hair on my face. That also you can add, some spice. You can glam that. So for this style, you're going to need some elastic bands. Watch closely what I'm doing. I'm just, like placing them on the ponytail. Do it all the way, and then I'm going in and puffing it up to make it look bigger. So this is another way you can rock your hair, and I'm going to be using one of the bands that the hair came with for this particular style. So this is quite cute. So this is another way. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.